That's hers. That's her specialty.
You don't like men? Or unpregnant ladies?
Saw that thing so beautiful.
Is this from her?
She just hit my heart.
Just a little better.
Baby, like, oh, how'd you do the thing? The way that you do it, she didn't even show nothing. She be walking around so confident, so heaven sent. I think she was meant not to be like, girl, you so fine. Girl, you rockin' like
I got that way.
she was so sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the heels or her slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear, all that confidence. Was it heaven sent? Does it come within? Does it come without? I don't know. She'll just have her running out and in. And they went to sin, talking every sin was bitches daily. I don't understand why she hit them like.